Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Starz, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Starz, begin by launching the Starz app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, select the sign in option. If you already have an existing account, enter your credentials and log in. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Make sure to provide a valid email address and create a secure password. After registering, you will receive an email confirmation. Check your email and confirm your account if prompted. Back in the app, you will see an activation code on your screen. Take note of this activation code for the next steps. Open a browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the activation link provided by Starz, typically found at starz.com/activate. Once on the site, enter the activation code from the app. Select your TV provider from the list, if applicable. Log in with your TV provider credentials, if required. After a successful login, the app should refresh. You will now have access to all the Starz content available. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Starz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.